Success bias. Don't let this cook you, bro. So, I'll talk about Charlie Morgan first. 40 million made on info. And he talks about how he made a mistake with his info business, which was not increasing how much customers are worth over the long run because he was fucking printing. And that was very interesting to me because I think it scales throughout the entire journey of entrepreneurship, which is this kind of like success bias. And I have found it to be true in every step I take almost, which is every time I succeed at something, I think if I have too much success in something, then I don't look at the situation as what it is. I look at it from a outside perspective because my ego gets boosted. So, for example, I got into a good position early on, and I after that I thought, oh, I've learned everything. I am a fucking genius. When I had so much more to learn, right, and so much more to go, and I think that's just a common thing. And it's like after you succeed, you don't do the necessary things that you need to be doing, and that fucks you terribly. That's it. That's the video because I'm fucking tired. All right, bet. Posted for 51 days in a row. I had to make these better. I know. Okay. Bye.